Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Confluence tutorial, we are going to understand how you can link Jira issues to Confluence pages. We are going to understand two important things as part of this tutorial. The first thing is how you can add the Confluence page link in Jira issues. The second part will be how to add Jira issue links on the Confluence pages. Now, understanding both of these is important because when you link Jira issues to Confluence pages, it brings a lot of convenience and ease of use, or referring to those issues from the Confluence page or from the issues directly where the documentation for that particular issue is. So linking brings a lot of benefits. Now let us understand how you can link the Jira issues to the Confluence pages. So the first thing is we are working with the Jira cloud and the Confluence cloud. So that's the interface will be different for the server version. So this is the cloud version and we are working with the cloud version. Now say for example, in the Jira software, we are working for this particular project, right? So project A, RCV Academy, and this Project A RCV Academy has a corresponding Confluence space. So we have understood about the integration of the Jira and Confluence in the last tutorial, wherein I have added this particular space link for this corresponding project, right? So project A space. If we go to this particular space, you will see this is corresponding space that we created for this particular project, right? Now, first thing is that corresponding space need to have a page where we can, add the issues. So let's quickly, there is one page already. Let me create a new page. So what I'll do is I'll go to the pages and then I'll click on create, and here I will provide the page title. So I'll say test link issues. All right. So we can easily identify that this is the page that we are going to use. I'll simply use the same description there and then click on publish. I won't add any more details in the page. Now we have this test link issues page created where we do not have any of the issues linked, right? So from the Confluence, I can go ahead and add the link of the Jira issues, and from the Jira issues, I can go ahead and add the Confluence page link. All right. So let's go to the Jira here. Okay. This project, and then we'll create some of the issues in the backlog. So I'll go in the backlog and let's create some of the issues here. Say for example, I'll create a story here and I'll name it as test story 1. So just for the sake of demonstrating the linking of the issues, and then similarly test story 2, and then let's create another, say for example, task and a bug. So we have created a couple of issues there with different types, 2 of the stories, 1 task and 1 defect in this particular project A. And now say for example, I want to link a Confluence page to any of these issues. We simply have to go to that particular issue. So I'll click on that particular issue either here in the backlog, or if I am directly on that particular issue. So if say for example, I open this issue on this new tab here, so this will give me the details of the issue here. So I can now link the issue. So if I click on this drop down here, I can click on link Confluence page here, or directly from the backlog, if I click on this, you will see that there is a link issues, web pages and more icon here. So I can, if I click on this, I'll get the same link here as well. So I can click on link Confluence page here, and in the drop down, I can select the page, the Confluence page. So this is the page that we have created. So test link issues is the page that we created, right? So I can simply select that and click on link. All right. And this link will be appearing now in the Confluence page section of this particular issue. Say for example, I want to link the page to the bug as well. So I will open it here. Okay. Now let's do it from this view here. So on the bug page, I can simply click on the drop down, click on link Confluence page and select test link and click on link. That's the only thing that we want to do as part of the Confluence page linking from the Jira issue. Okay. Very simple, but very powerful when you have to refer to any of the documentation that is related to these particular issues. It is highly recommended in projects that you link the Confluence pages in the issues, because if a person is looking for a detailed information for that particular issue, they can directly check this particular Confluence link and can find more information. So these are some of the advantages. Doing these things are very simple in Jira and Confluence, but the relevance of those, the value add that they bring is a lot more. Okay. So this is one part of it wherein you can go to the Jira issues and add the link of the Confluence pages. Now from the Confluence page, say for example, now we are here on the Confluence page, test link issues. right? And if I want to add the issues here on this Confluence page. So from this particular page, what you have to do is you simply have to click on this edit icon here on the page. And from this particular page, once you are in the edit mode, you simply have to add the macro, the Jira macro. So I can start with the /, okay? And then you'll see that this particular pop-up appears, which will give you the option to start searching for the macros that are available there, okay? So I can start typing in Jira, and you will see that Jira embed Jira issue macro appears there, okay? So this is the shortcut. If you want to use this drop down as well, so you can search for the macros from here as well. So this icon, just click on this plus icon here. You can go to view more, and it will open the macro section here, and I can start typing in Jira here as well, right? And here I can get the Jira macro available here. I can select it, and once you select it, so either you do from this or you do it from here, it will open the same window here. Now I can search. So you can search for the issues. So I can simply say story and hit enter. Say for example, I just want to look for the stories that I want to link on this particular page. I can search for those stories, and this is the test story 2, say for example, that I want to include. So I can simply uncheck everything and then include or check the test story 2, go to display options and make sure that this is single issue selected, right? I'll include the table as well, but I will explain single issue first. So once this is being done, simply what you have to do is you have to click on insert, and you will see that the story with the status has been included here. The next thing is you simply have to go and click on publish, and you will see the link has been added on this particular page. Okay, the other option is, say for example, I want to add this task. I can simply open this particular task, okay, and copy this link here. All right, so if you, say for example, do not want to search, copy this link directly, come on this page and click on edit, and then simply hit enter and provide or paste the link there. Okay, you will see that the link has already been generated as soon as you will paste the URL there. Now simply click on publish, right? So these two issues have been linked on this particular Confluence page. Okay, now if you go back to this particular, say for example, PRA 6, which is the stories. So let me change it to 6 and enter. Now this particular story will have the Confluence page link automatically updated here. You will see that mentioned on Confluence pages link automatically appear. All right, we'll go to this task. This is the task that we added with the link, and you will see the task has the test link issues, which says mentioned on this particular Confluence pages, right? So this is the beauty of linking the issues, Jira issues, with the Confluence pages, because if there is relevant information for a particular issue on the Confluence page, you can link it so that a person viewing at the particular issue can directly go to the Confluence page and read out the more information, say for example, technical architecture and stuff like that. So you can directly link those pages here. It creates a lot more ease of use of or finding the actual documentation for the project. All right, now if, say for example, on the Confluence page, I'll go to this Confluence page, there are multiple addition options. So this is single issue link, right? So say for example, I want to add a table of the issues, right? So I can add all the issues in the project. So I can go to the Jira macro again, right, and select the Jira macro, and now here on this filter, so you can use either the issue key or search URL or a Jira link, etc., or the JQL. So what we can do is, for this particular project, if we want all the issues in this particular project to be available on the Confluence page, I can create the filter, right? So I can say advanced issue search, and then I will simply switch to JQL, and I will simply search by, so I can say project is equal to, and we are looking for the project A, right? So I can simply search, and it will list all the issues that are there in this particular project. Okay, so this is the basic query that I can use on this particular page here in the filter. Okay, I can simply use this JQL query, right, and search for the issues. It will list all the issues that are there in the project, and click on display option here, and you will see that if all of the issues are selected, it will give me the option to select the table, right? And these are the columns that I can customize. I want to add or remove. Say for example, I do not want to display the creator or updated or priority or reporter, etc. So I can say, for example, if I do not want assignee or reporter, I can simply, maybe remove the reporter column, right? So I can remove that, and I can click on then insert. As soon as I'll do the insert, you will see that this table got inserted, and this table will list all the issues that are there in that particular project, and it will show you all the columns that you have selected while adding this particular table in this page. Once you are happy with these columns, simply click on publish, and this table will then be added to this particular page in the Confluence, and you'll see all the issues are being listed with the key, summary, and the columns that we have selected, right? So this is a brief introduction about how you can link Jira issues to Confluence pages. So we have understood about how you can add Confluence page link in the Jira issues. That's very simple. And then also adding the Jira issue links on the Confluence pages. So single issue or a table of issues from the Confluence page, that will help you to get a better visibility of the issues from the Confluence page for a particular project, or from the issue you can find the documentation easily from the issue itself when you have the link for the Confluence pages. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful and clear. Thank you very much for watching.